Hi, regular EV Dad, John here. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to unbox, review and fit the Volkswagen ID4 seat protector for the back seats. And then I'm also going to put the kids' car seat back in there, and we'll see how usable it is when you have things like dogs and kids. I'm an EV Dad. Please do like and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and be aware that we're going to be doing a giveaway shortly for the Muddy Buddy trunk protector. Let's go open some boxes. Okay, well, let's open this thing up, and unlike previous videos, I'll try and not show too much of my ass while doing this. So, great thing about creating YouTube content is you know it's authentic when you can hear the dogs barking in the back. So this is the seat cover. It took about 3 weeks to come through. When I ordered it, I actually ordered it just before I picked up the vehicle, but they didn't process the order. So all I'm expecting here, instructions, which I'm going to take some attention to. Well, let's look at the actual nylon, 2 layers. I will say it's pretty thick. It's good construction. And we have access to the seat belts and the tension seat tensioner things, the Euro fit for the car seats. And yeah, we like this. All right, let's go see how easy this is to put in the vehicle. All right, let's get this fitted. See a nice WeatherTech. Only been in the car for 20 hours, maybe slightly less, and already did its job because the kid threw her water bottle on the way to school this morning. So not that that would have done too much damage, but it's nice to know it does its job. Alright, so the instructions, and I did read them, said to isolate the, get it fitted to the bottom first, and we'll do that. We have removed the headrests, again, as per the instructions, and in fact it's going to use the headrests to stabilize it. So we're going to bring it forward. Okay, this makes the latches available, so there's no issues there. And in fact, the headrest is going to keep this in place. I will say, a bit disappointed. They've just cut holes. They've put a hem here around the seatbelt area, but not around the holes. And I do think that with regular wear and tear, that's going to become an issue. So let's then work out second part of this jigsaw puzzle, which is the middle. Alrighty. And then This was a question I had for myself. So we have like we have this, which I believe, if I just get my fat ass off here, that pushes through and kind of catches behind the seat. And then we're gonna wrap. We have a hole here for the tab. I don't think this gets mentioned enough, but it does have a ski hatch. You gotta love the Germans love a ski hatch. And come next spring, winter, we will take this up towards the Sierras. That's for sure. Alright, that tucks in there. And let's come around and finish. Again, fits over nice and easy. I'll check the label inside because that will annoy me. Let's put in our last headrest. All tight to the back. So yeah, you can actually pull that little wedge through, make it nice and tight, and then there's no Velcro or anything to hold it in place. It's not let's be clear, when they did the pictures, the marketing team did their pictures, so they made it all look flush. Not sure if they ironed nylon, but well, I may take a pry tool, a nylon pry tool, so we don't scratch anything, and just wedge it into the corners here on the side. But look, these things are never going to be beautiful, but thank you, my little loud bird. They're here to do a job, and I will say this looks like it's going to do that job. Let's go put the car seat in. So I'm still going to put the towel down, and that's just to provide some thickness support. And in fact, I'm going to do it underneath. Right, so this is how they keep it tight. So those little push, this is why you stay to the end of the video. So this will be more visible here. We have another of these. It's just like a tag with some soft material in there, but importantly, it pushes through the gap. I can show you this from the other side. And that's what holds it in place. Alright, well that makes a lot more sense, and that's a lot more secure. Let's finish getting that in. So I'm just going to, because this is going to be exposed with the seatbelt going through, there's no two ways, there's no way around that. I'm still going to put this towel down. Now this is two reasons. One, it's just to reduce the wear. The car seats we use, as a family, we've always used the Britax. I'm not sponsored, I don't care. We use them because they protect our kid. It's like she's wearing a motorbike helmet. She is truly the most important thing in the world to me. So, but they do put a lot of downward pressure, and we have, basically the Volvo's got permanent marks. So, let's put the seat in. She's 4.5, and for those of you saying you're not putting the rear restraints on, you're correct. I'm going to do that later because I have another video to shoot, and it will get in the way. Later on you'll see a review of the Muddy Buddy cargo liner for the trunk liner, whatever they call it. So you get that nice and tight, make sure it's central, push it down, it goes click, and that's that. And this is why we choose it, because of all this additional side protection that this comes with. So we have a small fleet of these things. Alright, well, let's give it a score. Is it a perfect fit? No. Does it protect? Yeah. Is it good value? Yeah. Because the fact that it fits, the fact that it's custom fitted, means it will protect better. We're trying to protect the, I'm going to call it leather or vegan leather, whatever you want to call it. But with a kid, dogs, and family life, I think this is borderline essential. So, whilst I might not be blown away by the fit and finish and the fact that it doesn't look like the marketing pictures, but then what does, and my wife would tell you, I don't look as good as I did in the wedding pictures. I'm going to give it 5 out of 5. I think it's worth it. Alright, please like the video, subscribe, and look for the next video, which, or the one before, I can't remember which order I'm putting it up, which will be a review and fitting of the Muddy Buddy cargo liner for the trunk. We have 2 of them because my wife bought me one as a gift, not realizing I'd already ordered one. So I'm going to give that second one away for getting this channel to 500 subscribers by the end of May. And I want to make the announcement before I start my road trip. I had a number of people DMing me about the trip from Bay Area to New York and back, and yes, I'm hoping to meet a few of you along the way. So I've had a ton of stickers, regular EV Dad stickers made, and we'll do something about that. But otherwise, be safe and have yourself a great day.